Yes, a regular cup plunger can work on a toilet in an emergency if you know how to improve its seal and use it correctly. A cup plunger is designed for flat surfaces, so it will not form a perfect seal on a toilet bowl, but you can increase its effectiveness by creating a gasket around the cup with a wet rag or a small piece of silicone or rubber to fill the gap between the cup and the curved porcelain. Start by adding water to the bowl until the water level covers the plunger cup by at least an inch. Position the plunger so the cup faces the drain opening and press down gently to push out trapped air, then use steady, rhythmic pushes and pulls rather than aggressive jerks to move water and create pressure. Sustained pumps of about 10 to 20 strokes often work better than a single hard thrust. If water starts to drain slowly, keep pumping to fully clear the line and then test by flushing with a controlled small amount of water to avoid overflow. If the plunger slips, stop and reseal the rag, reposition the cup, and try again rather than increasing force because that can splash or spread contamination. After you clear the clog, disinfect the plunger and the rag thoroughly with a bleach solution or household disinfectant and let them dry fully before storing. Common problems are a poor seal, inadequate water level, and pushing too hard, which can splash or damage fixtures. For a poor seal, wrap a damp cloth around the plunger base or fold a rubber glove to fill gaps and reposition until you get a firm suction. If the water level is too low, add clean water until the plunger cup is submerged by at least an inch, so you rely on hydraulic force, not air compression. If someone uses excessive force, stop and reset with calm, controlled strokes because repeated hard thrusts often fail and increase the risk of making the clog worse or causing water to spill. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners find local contractors and let contractors find work near them. We also host an active discussion community where members share tips, ask questions, and compare tools and techniques for projects and repairs.